Let us now talk about a very important concept in marketing funnel. A marketing funnel is a system which is designed to attract and convert customer for your business. It is the process of turning potential customers into customer. Potential customers are also called as leads. Marketers cast a broad net to capture as many leads as possible. Then these leads are taken through a series of steps where the end goal is conversion and loyalty of customer. Let us look at the different stages in a marketing funnel. The first one is awareness. Marketing campaigns are done to make people aware of the product or service which is being sold. For example, a cosmetics company wants to increase their awareness. So to do so, they start advertising in Instagram, where their target customer is very active. They have boosted their Instagram post and they have reached 1000 customers who have seen the ad. So the awareness right now is 1000. The next stage is consideration. In case the potential customers show interest and then they interact with the business and they look at what are the offerings available in the business with an intention of buying, this stage is called as consideration. In case of the cosmetic example, once the potential customer is aware of the brand, they went ahead and visited the website to look at all the offerings. Out of the 1000 users that saw the Instagram ad, 400 visited the website to check out the products. Hence, the consideration number here is 400. The third stage is conversion. Once customer interacts with the business and the offering and thinks that it meets the requirement and the needs are being fulfilled, they go ahead and they purchase the offering. This is called as conversion. In our example, out of the 400 potential customers who had visited the website, 100 ended up buying the product. Hence, the conversion number is 100. The next is loyalty. Once a business converts a user, it is very important to develop loyalty among the customers so that they keep buying from the same business and they continue to generate sales. The loyalty is done through regular communication and rewarding the customer on shopping with the business. In our case of cosmetic company, out of the 100 customers who have shopped, 40 has again come back to done shopping again as repeat customer. To maintain them, the brand has opened a loyalty program where customer earns point every time they shop from the business. These points can be redeemed for vouchers which can be redeemed for future shopping. As you can notice, the number of people going through each stage is decreasing in each stage, and hence this is called as funnel. This concept is widely used for marketing purposes. This gives us an idea of how many potential customers to reach in case we want to convert a certain number of customers.